Yeah. So we will discuss about the node analysis. In that, super node analysis. So there is a concept, super node analysis. So first, we'll discuss about what is that super node. When an voltage source appears between two non-reference nodes and any elements connected in parallel with it, then combining these nodes is called a supernode. When an voltage source appears between two non-reference nodes and any elements connected in parallel with it, then combining these nodes is called a supernode. Here, very important is between non-reference nodes. Yeah. So we'll take one example so that we can understand the concept. So what is that concept? So supernode. Yeah. So this is the actual given network. This is the given network. Node voltages. We have to determine the node voltage. Yeah. We are going to label the nodes 1, 2, 3. Is there any other nodes? No. Only there are 3 nodes. 1, 2, 3. Third one is the reference node. And there are other 2 nodes. 1, 2. Label it as a V1 and V2 are the node voltages with respect to this reference nodes. Yeah, there is an observation between V1 and V2, there is a voltage source. Also, parallel with this, we have a resistance. We have a resistance. So, in such a situations, we are going to use this supernode concept. Supernode concept. Yeah. So, how to write the equation for this supernode? For the node 1, how many elements are collected? We will see. First one is the resistor of 2 ohm. Another one is a current coming toward this node. And what about others? So this is parallel with this one. This will be the parallel with this voltage source. What about other terminals? What about the other connections? There is a voltage source. There is a resistance. Where they are connected, this voltage source is connected between other node. That is between V1 and 2. And also there is a resistance between these two nodes. So now we have to can we make it as a super node? Coming to the other node, there is a similarly like 2 ohm, there is a 4 ohm. Current coming towards, now current is moving away from this node 7 ampere. Again, between 2 and node, there is a voltage source. In between 10 ohm resistance. Now, so I put a dotted circle here. So dotted circle means these are the two nodes I have to club and I have to write a single node equation. Like a super mesh, it is a super node. There is a voltage between V1 and V2 by applying a super node equation. So as usual, so how to do? So as usual, V1 divided by 2, yeah, and current coming towards this minus 2 ampere, minus 2 ampere. What about this resistor and source? No, we should not consider for this, should not consider for this node, because for the voltage source between these two, there is a voltage source parallel with this resistance. Now I have to club that one. What is the first equation? V1 by 2. Current is coming towards minus 2 ampere. Next equation, V2 by 4 and current is moving away, 7. So this is the super node equation. If only single node, how we are writing? V1 by 2 plus 7. But here there is a voltage. So that's why we are clubbing these two equations. V1 by 2 minus 2 ampere because it is coming towards. What is the rule we followed? Whenever the current is coming to Towards that node, take it as a negative. Moving away, take it as a positive. V2 by 4 and 7 ampere. Yeah, this is the first equation. Next one means I have to write the super node equation. What it has between this V1 and V2, there is a voltage source. So plus sign like polarity we checked. Now, loop analysis or mesh analysis, what is the direction of the current? What is the direction of the mesh current? Similarly, in this case, check the polarity of that source between these two. Where it is there positive terminal, this is towards a V2. Yeah, V2 minus V1 is equal to 2. What is that 2? 2 volts. Between these two, 2 volts. So usually how we are writing? The first variable we are writing first one. So that's why interchange these two. V1 minus R multiply by a minus. V1 minus V2 minus 2. The first one is a 1 by 2 0.5 V1, 0.25 V2, 7 minus 2 5 minus 5. These are the two equations, simultaneous equation. Solve these two simultaneous equation. After solving, we are getting a V1 and V2. V1 will be equal to minus 7.33 minus 5.33. Need not to use this also because in our calculator it directly supports by solving the simultaneous. But I have shown the steps of using Cramer's rules how to determine the V1 and V2 for a two variable simultaneous. Yeah, I hope that okay, you understood the supernode analysis. So we'll take a one more example. Yeah. First, okay, we have to identify the nodes. There is a node 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many nodes are there? It looks very complicated network. Need not to worry about that complicated. We will follow the rules. Okay, rules of a node analysis. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 nodes. We will take it as this as a reference node. How many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3. And there is an observation between these two nodes. There is a 22. Yeah, that I have written here. It is a super node between 2 and 3, V1, V2, V3. Between 2 and 3, there is a voltage. There is a voltage source. Means I have to write the super node equation. Yeah, this also I will one more time, I will explain. Next example, maybe I will invite you to tell the equations, node equation. So coming to the one, V1, what are all connections are there? There is a one current, 3 ohm resistor, current, and 4 ohm. So these are the 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, coming to the V2, one resistor, another resistor, current is moving away. Coming to third one, there is a resistor minus 25 ampere and there is a resistance between the V1 and V2. And what is the how to write the supernode equation? Plus, okay, observe this plus V3 minus V2 is equal to 22 or V3 is equal to 20, V2 plus 22. Apply a KCL for the node 1. Okay, I will this one. V1 minus V2 divided by 3. V1 minus V3 by 4 minus because this is coming towards minus of minus 8 ampere minus of minus 3 ampere 0. Simplify it means separate a v1 v2 v3 v1 v2 v3 simplifications we are getting this one. And also for making it as a two variables, wherever a V3 is there, I substitute a V2 plus. But anyway, you have a calculator. You may, okay, what you can do, V2 minus V3 means V1. You can zero V1, you can write that equation. Take it as a 3 variable because calculator supports, so need not to bring it to the 2 variable. But here what I did to make a simplification, wherever a V3 comes, for example, in this case, I'm replacing that with the V2 plus 20. So next one is this is the node 1. But coming to the 2 and 3, super node, okay, 1 we written. What about this 2? Now I have to club the equations. How to write that one? How to write? How to write? Yeah. So V2 minus V1 by 3, V2 by 1, it is moving away, plus of minus 3 ampere. Next, V3 by 5, V3 minus V1 by 4, this is moving away. We will take it as a positive, plus of minus 25 ampere is equal to, so that is I have written here. V3 minus V1 by 3, V1 by 1, V3 means V3 minus V1 by 4, V3 by 5. Yeah. Next, plus of minus 3 because it is moving away 0. So I am getting these two equations. So wherever a V3 is there, I replaced with the V222. Solving these two equations, I am getting V1 is equal to 1 volt and V2 is equal to 10.48 and V3 is equal to 32.48. Yeah. So this is a similar one. I hope that okay, you are able to write the equation for this. Students, anybody okay can tell me the equation for this. It is similar to the previous one, only different values are given. Anybody can unmute yourself and tell me the how many nodes are there. Anybody can unmute yourself and tell me the answers. Student, every discussion is going to be recorded. Please, okay, speak. How many nodes are there?
3 nodes.
3 nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4 node.
And
This is the
reference.
fourth one. We are taken it as a reference one. There are 4 nodes are there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Fourth one is taken as a reference node. These are the 3 nodes. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are non-reference nodes. This is the reference nodes. Yeah. Next, where is the voltage source? Between which are the 2 nodes voltage source is there?
V2 and V3.
Yeah, between these two there is a voltage source is there. And V1 as usual nothing is there. Anybody now can be able to tell me the equation for the node 1? This is a node 1 equation.
V1 minus V2 by 2.
Yeah, V1 minus V2 by 2. Yeah. Next. Next one.
V1 minus V3 by 10.
V1 minus V3 by 10. Next.
Minus of minus 5.
Plus of okay, the minus of minus because this is coming towards minus of minus 5 ampere, minus of minus
Minus of minus.
4 ampere. Okay, fine. This is completed node 1. Next, I want to write the equation. This is 2 and 3. So there is a source. So can you able to tell me the equation for this source? This is 2, 3, V2 and V3.
V2 by 20.
V2 by V2 by V2 by
V2 by 4.
V2 by 4. Next one, this is a 1, V2 by 4. Next, V2 minus
V2
V1 by
minus
2.
V3 equals 20.
V2 minus V1 by 2. Okay, next, current is moving away.
Plus of minus 4.
Plus of minus 4 ampere. Next, for this one, we will continue that equation. Plus
V3 minus V2 equals minus 20.
V3 minus V1 by 10. V3 minus V1 by 5. 10 with V3 minus V1 by 10. Next, V3 by 5. V3 divided by 5. Current is moving for this node. Plus of minus 10.
Minus 10.
Okay. Next, for this one, V3 minus V2 is equal to 20. V3 minus, I have written here, V3 minus V2 is equal to 20. For the node 1, V1 minus V2 by 2, V1 minus V3 by 10, minus of minus 5 ampere, minus of minus 4 ampere. Simplification. Next, V2 minus V1 by 1, this one, V2, node 2. 2. Next, node 3, V3 minus V1 by 10, V3 by 4, plus of minus 4, and then minus 10, plus of minus. So, simplification, we are getting a, so, equations like this, simplification. Okay. So, next one, okay, we'll see the next example. This looks very complicated one. This looks a very complicated one, but analysis wise, nothing is there. And so many things we can observe here. This is a plus minus. Is it a voltage source or current source? Students,
Voltage source.
voltage. Which type
Voltage
of
source.
voltage? Which type of voltage source?
Dependent.
Dependent voltage source. What about this one?
Dependent current.
Current source. Dependent current source. He mentioned what he mentioned. 0.2 Vy. 0.2 Vy. Where is that Vy? Vy is the voltage across a 2.5 ohm. Here, Vx is 0.5 Vx. Where is that Vx? Vx is the voltage across a V1 and V2. V1 and V2. Yeah. Now, tell me how many nodes are there? Total number of nodes in this network. How
Five
many?
nodes.
Huh? Tell me correct
5 nodes.
answer. 5 nodes. Okay, there are 5 nodes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are a total 5 nodes are there. How many nodes are there? 5 nodes are there. Yeah. So with respect to this node, I have to write the equation. So with respect to this, I have to write the equation. And between the nodes, between any two reference nodes, there are voltage sources also there. There are voltage sources. Yeah. So can we observe that one? Yeah. You observe this one between non-reference nodes. This is the reference node. There is a voltage source, but this is the reference one. That we should not consider it as a super node. Where we have to consider a super node? For a non-reference nodes. For a non-reference node, there is a voltage source. There is a voltage source. Which type of voltage source? Dependent voltage source. The dependent voltage source. KCL for yeah. And also between V1 It is given minus 12 volts and directly is given. V1 is directly given, V1 is minus 12 volts with respect to that. Polarity is minus here. With respect to this, I am measuring. This side is a negative. V1 minus is equal to V1 is equal to minus 12. Next, apply a KCL for the node 2. Any connections there? So we will observe the connection. One current source is coming, and between a V2 and V1 there is a resistance, and between V2 and V3 there is a resistance. One current. How many connections are there? 3 connections. V2 minus V1 by 0.5, V2 minus V3 by 2. Current is coming towards U minus. Simplify this one. Next, what you do? Simplify this one. So this we completed. Directly we got. Next, okay, I written the equation for this one. Yaudu V2. I written now. Next, remaining are the third and fourth. Remaining are the third and fourth. What are all the connections are there? One is, for example, third one, there is a current coming towards this one. There is a resistance between 3 and 2, and there is a voltage source between 3 and 4. Similarly, coming to the fourth one, there is a voltage source between 4 and 3, and there is a resistance between fourth and this reference node. Also, there is a resistance between V4 and V1. Yeah, V3 minus V4. How to write? Plus sign. Observe the plus sign. So first we write a V3 minus V4. How much? It is a 0.2 Vy. What about the Vy? Vy is written, okay, plus and minus. It is a V4 minus V1. V4 minus V1. Similarly, Vx. Okay. Vx is equal to V2 minus V1. Vx is equal to V2 minus V1. We will make all these simplifications. We will make all these simplifications. Okay. We will make all these simplifications. Yeah. So next, V3 minus V4. V3 minus V4, 0.2 Vy. Why it is 0.2 Vy? Because V3 minus V4 is equal to point. What about the Vy? V4 minus V1. V4 minus V1. So simplification, V4 we are getting this. Applying a KCL for the supernode. Supernode means clubbing these two, third and fourth. So similarly, this is just simplification. So simplification, V4. We were trying to minimize the variable. That's all. Nothing to do with this one. V1 already we know, and V4 also we are trying to replace, and even we can make it the 3 variables. Next, supernode V3 minus V2 by 2 coming towards. That's why it is a minus 0.5 Vx completed. In node, when we come to the third node, there is a resistance. That equation I written. Current source, it is coming towards minus 0.5 Vx. So next, okay, fourth node, V4 minus V1 by 2.5. Next, V4 by 1. Okay. V4 by V1. I have to club these two. Now then these two. V4 minus V1 by 2.5. V4 by 1 more. So that we complete. Simplification. So solving this equation. You can what actually I did. I try to simplify this. I try to bring it to only 2 variables, 2 and 3. You can take it as a V4 also. One V1 we already know. How many variables are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the unknown things we have to determine. In that already 1 we know. Remaining how many are there? 2 and 3. But at the end, simultaneous equation, I bought only V2 and V3. What I did, I eliminated this V4 also. Wherever a V4 comes, I am going to substitute that. But anyway, calculator is there. You can what you can do. You can calculate 3 variables. So solving, I am getting a V2 and V3. Similarly, V4, V1, everything we can calculate. ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? So next one. So next one I will show the simplified circuit. What I did ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Anybody can tell this. Anybody can tell. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Students, I already marked. Okay. 1, 2, 3, fourth reference for my return. Anybody can able to tell me the answer for this one?
V1 minus V2 by 1 by 3.
V1 minus V2 divided by 1 by 3. Correct. Next.
V1 minus V3 by 1 by
1 by 4. Yeah. Next. Next.
plus of minus 8.
Plus of, no, it is minus 8 ampere. But no, this is a plus because it is moving away 8 amperes plus 3 ampere. It is leaving, leaving this node plus 8 ampere plus 3 ampere. Clear. What we cleared? First node. Next observation, between 2 and 3, there is a voltage source. This is between a non-reference node observation. Again, how to write? Okay, now equation for this super node again. Plus sign this side.
V2 minus V3 equals minus
V3
22.
minus V2 is equal to?
minus V2 is equal to 22.
Yeah, correct. Next, I want to write the super node equations. Clubbing these two equations, I have to write a single equation. Heltina, first tell me about the V2. We'll continue with the V3. First, tell me about V3. Connection is just check the connections and tell me the node equation for V2.
V2 by 1.
V2
by 1. Yes.
V2 minus V1 by 1 by 3.
1 by 3. Next. Next.
V2 minus V3 equals minus 20.
No, this one we have to complete. Minus 3 ampere.
Minus 3.
Minus 3 ampere current. We completed this part. Now we will move to the third node. Tell me now.
V3 minus V2 equals 22.
That is we did already. That is super node equation.
V3 by 1 by 5.
V3y divided by 1 by 5.
V3 minus V1 by 1
V3 minus V1 by 1 by 4.
minus 25.
Minus 25. Yes, that's all. So that is the equation. V3 minus V2. Yeah, V1 minus V2. So simplified. Then return a equation. So solving, okay. Trying to solve, okay. So this one, okay, I brought only simplified to only 2 variables. You can solve with 3 variables also. Why I did means it takes some more time. Okay, numerically by solving a Cramer's rules. Okay, I have to use a 3 variables means it takes a more time. So that's why I did. Or even you can calculate directly for a 3 variables. So check. So next one is only thing is what is the next thing? So only we have to. So we have to simplify this one. We have a equation 1 and there is a equation 2. So then solving these two. After solving, we will get a V1, V2 and substitute a V3 is equal to V2. So like that. Okay. Okay. So next one I have this one. Anybody? Those who are answering, okay. Others, what about others you are doing? Others also can tell me the answer. No? Otherwise, I will show the labeled network. Anybody okay can try now? 3 minutes time is there. Big answer. V1, V2, V3. Fourth node is the reference node. How many nodes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 nodes are there. Tell me the procedure to determine the node voltages using node analysis, super node analysis. This is also a super node analysis. Anybody can now tell me the answer?
V1 by 12.
V1 by 12.
V1 minus
V1
V3 by
by 6.
plus V1 minus V3 by 6. Next, I have to club these two equations. V1 by 12, V1 minus V3 by 6 plus V2 divided by 6 plus V2 minus V3 by 12. What is the supernode equation? V1 by 12, V1 minus V3 by 6 plus V2 by 6 plus V2 minus V3 by 12. We completed this supernode equation. And what about this one? Between V1 and V2, there is a source. How to write that equation? Dependent source is there. I have to write that equation. How to write? V1 minus V2 is equal to 2Vx. What about the Vx? Vx is nothing but a V2. Okay, it is a V2. It is a V2 only. What is the Vx here? V2. V2 minus 0 means V2. So like, what about the V3? Directly we will know 6 volts.
6 volt.
6 volts. V3 it is known. Only remaining are these are the two variables. Yeah, I think today I will close the class. So remaining, I will continue tomorrow. Now all of you type yes sir in the attendance. 2 minutes time is there. Make it fast. All of you type yes sir. All of you write yes sir and leave the meeting. All of you write yes sir and leave the meeting. Once you typed okay yes sir, leave the meeting. Leave the meeting, all of you. Once you typed yes sir, leave